All right, boys and girls, are you ready to hit some sight words or high frequency words out of the ballpark? I have a feeling we're going to get a home run. Now, I have my socks, and I want to talk about our special word, you. This is our word of the day, and here's what I'm going to ask you to do. When we get to it, I'm going to ask that you stand up like your team just hit a home run. Now, I'm going to tuck it in here. You're not going to know where it's coming. I don't either. But when we get to Y-O-U spells you, you're going to stand up and cheer for the team. All righty, are you ready? Here we go. You read with me. Was, the, or, for, by, my, from, are, to, a, we, he, she, be, me, and, is, his, you. Woohoo! Home run! Home run! Yay! Did you catch it? Good job. Have, of, I, one, they, do, as, has. Awesome job. Now, here's what I want to show you. This is my trick to remember how to spell you, because it's kind of a hard word to spell. I go Y, O, U. Woo! I dropped it. I didn't catch the ball. Here, let's try it again. Y, O, U spells you. Fantastic. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to keep practicing that until you don't drop the ball or the socks. All right. Good job, guys.